How to unblock someone on Snapchat. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you have to go down on the Snapchat app on your mobile. As you go on the Snapchat app on your mobile, then you have to go on the profile option that is located up above. And as it opens, then you have to go on the settings option. As you go on the settings option, you have to scroll down, and then you have to go on blocked option and click on that. Now over here you will have the person you have blocked. Now by clicking on cross marks over here, then you will be able to unblock the person. Let's say I'm clicking on this, and over here I will have an option of if I do want to unblock the Snapchatter or not. If I say yes, then I will be able to unblock them. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.